How to enable dark mode on Duolingo. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Duolingo. Now tap on the person icon at the bottom part of your screen. Again at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down. If you found the dark mode option, toggle it on to turn on dark mode on Duolingo. If you don't find that option, go back to your home screen and open up settings on your device. Now tap Now go to display and brightness and toggle to dark mode. Now go back to the app and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a special topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.